All right, now we're going to do what we call an open book. We're going to work on thoracic and lumbar and hip rotation. Rotation is one of the most important movements in the body, and it's often overlooked because we always live in more of a straight plane up and down motion. So to set this up, you're going to lay on your side, knees stacked, bring them up towards about hip level. If you have a pillow for your head, that's totally okay. Hands are together. I like to think about this as a bow and arrow. You're going to reach forward like you're trying to grab a bow and arrow string. Pull that string back till you get to your ribs. Use this hand to pull those ribs around, and then take a deep breath in. Blow it out, and just sink into that stretch, and hang out there for 2 breaths. After 2 breaths, reach back forward, grab another string, pull that string back, grab those ribs, twist and deep breath, and out. Another deep breath, and out. And just fall into that stretch. Some modifications to the open book stretch is to let the bottom leg straight, top leg down onto the ground, and then same form. Arms are out, and twist. Try to keep this knee in contact with the ground the whole time. Don't let it come off the ground because you lose the stretch. You can even use that top hand to hold it down for 2 breaths. And reach forward. Grab your ribs, grab your knee, deep breath. Just have your hands out front, and this time you're going to do a big sweeping motion back like this. Now the wall's in the way a little bit for me, but you would let the arm go all the way straight to get a bigger stretch. If it gets tweaky to your shoulder, don't worry about pushing as far. And then get 2 breaths.